Hi guys, so today I want to take a look at the repair option for Trimble Business Center. So sometimes, like your system, Windows or whatever goes wrong and it will give you a whole bunch of errors, or the system is slowing down or whatnot. So you wanna have a means of basically reinstalling the Trimble Business Center. What you have to do is you have to go to your setting in your Windows, right, and go to apps. Is it apps? Install the apps, I think. No, that's not it. Yeah, I think that was it. So you have to go to your apps, right, apps, and then install the apps, and this will list a whole bunch of software you have installed on your computer. So depending on how much you have, right, you scroll down, it's alphabetical order, and I have a Trimble Business Center here, 2310 version, right. You can right click these three dots over here, and instead of uninstalling and reinstalling a fresh version, you can hit the modify, which will open this new window, right, the install shield, which you did when you installed the Business Center. And then once you hit next, you get few different options, so you can modify, repair, or remove. So if you have any issues, you can just hit repair, and again, depending on your settings and what all you installed and what you have during the installation, which modules you have installed and everything, it takes a little bit less than uninstalling and installing a fresh version, but see, it calculated, looked what I had, and it starts refreshing the Trimble Business Center. So again, be careful, because if you do the refresh, it's basically a fresh install, so you lose all your settings. So that's where it's nice to have the template somewhere in the cloud, right? You can use Trimble Cloud or your own Dropbox or Google Drive or whatever it's out there. And this takes significantly less time than the full-blown install, because it's just looking for corrupt files and replacing those. If there are no corrupt files, right, it's gonna be pretty quick. So that's a really quick reinstall of Business Center per se. You see it's copying the files and everything. Why I'm bringing this up, because I heard that, hey, I need to reinstall the Business Center, or this method, can save you some time. Some of the apps, even in Windows, they have, like, I think the whole Windows itself has a refresh. So you see, it did it in whatever 2-3 minutes. And if I were to try to start the Business Center, of course it's starting on the other screen. I'll bring it over once it starts up. Then you'll be able to see whether your issue has been solved, right? And if it hasn't, then yeah, unfortunately you will have to default to the canceling. But if it, yeah, there we go, if there is no errors, then you are back to normal and you can keep on going. So even it remembered the projects, and let's see if it remembered the setting here. Yeah, it did, right? So the refresh will not necessarily delete all your settings. If you uninstall it and install it back fresh, then you're gonna have to go and do the settings. However, I would have to log into TID to refresh that, which I'm gonna do and show you how to do that right now. So I'll go back to the main startup wing, and I'll hit login, which will prompt me and open up the Trimble identity server, and it's gonna log me in there, and I'm gonna have to use my cell phone because of the two-part verification. So I have it here. I'm gonna type in 455378 and it's gonna log me in. That should bring down the thing and have me logged in. So when I go to new, I have few templates on the TID cloud. So you see they came up over here. They are 5.7, 5.6, so quite a while. I think I do have a newer one. So anyway, hope this helped you out with the repair of Trimble Business Center, and we'll see you next one.